Here in this video, guys, we're going to create a simple Java project, which is going to generate a random password for whichever times we ask the system. It is going to generate the random password for us, guys. So we're going to use Java as a language to build this simple project, guys. So I'm coming in there, let's select Java, and I'm going to save this Java file here, and let me call it password generator, because the project you are going to create it is password generator. So what I'm going to do right next, guys, I'm going to start importing some of the basics module, guys, and I'm going to start by importing. So I'm going to start by, let me So we're importing the secure random to generate a cryptographically secure random numbers, guys. So, but also we are going to import another things which is going to generate a random index for selecting characters, guys. So okay, here it is done, guys. As I already say, the second thing, the upper one. So this one, it is going to import the secure random to generate the cryptographically secured number, because we're going to generate the randoms numbers, and we're going to also to import this java dot this random. So we import a random to generate random index for selecting characters from the set. So now we're going to start creating our class. So to create a class, and let me our our public class will be. So we're going to name our public class as a password generator to match the file name, guys. And with this one is where we're going to put our code inside it. So what I'm going to start next, I'm going to start right on. I'm going to declare the characters. So I'm going to define the set of the possible characters that can be used as a password. As we all know that if you want to the password, there are, for example, you may be some of the occasions where you want to enter the strong password. So you need to provide some of the password we see with text, we see with letters, I mean, but also with maybe uppercase, with number, with symbol. So this is what we're going to declare here. So let's say, so now we are going to declare this one. So it is, we're going to declare the public static. So, and we're going to declare also as a field, and it is will be string. So as we all know that the 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 characters to be used in the password are almost all of the keyboard here. So let me copy this. These are the characters to be used to our password, and let me paste this here. So the first thing it is done, guys. These are the characters to be used to our password, guys. So now I'm going to create a secure random object. So for generating the secure random numbers, guys. So to do so, also I'm going to say, so, and I'm going to, since I'm going to create the the object of this one, so let me call it random. And we all know that to create the object, we use the new keyword. So to create the object, so will be new, then this one. So Okay, this is the objective. We have already created our object, guys, to for generating the secure random numbers, guys. So now we're going to declare a public another a main class here. So to do so, so this is our is our main class. So and then inside this main class, we are going to start by by declaring the variable which is the length of the password, and there will be type integer. Let me call it length. So our length will be, say this password will be 12 characters, and I'm going to generate a to generate those so a password of a specified length. So a specified length it is 12 characters. So to do so, now I'm going to have the string, which let me call it password, and there to this one I'm going to generate the password. So let's say I'm going to generate the password of the length here, which is 12 characters, guys. So this is the length of our password, and I'm going to print it to the console. So we all know that if you want to print to the console using Java, so we are going to print this text here. Let's say generated our generated password. Now it is going to refer to the password we're calculating above there. So we are going to print the password. So as you can see, we declare the length of the password, but also here it is the code to generate a specified length, but also we are going to print the password to the console now. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start building to create a string builder object to build a password character by character, guys. And to do so, I'm going to let me create another. So here I'm going to pass the integer, which is our password length, guys, and I'm going to say something like this. For since this is going to be our string builder object, so our string builder now, let's call it SB, and we are going to create the object to it. So I'm going to be new string builder. Now it's our length. So this it is going to create a string builder object. This is the it is going to create a string builder object to build our password character by character, and there, as you can see, the object it is called we called it SB. So now what we are going to do next, we are going to append a random character from there and from the set of the string builder object. So to do so, I'm going to declare for loops here. So let me here I'm going to start by inputting the condition. So here I'm going to say now I will be less than the length, which is 12, and then I'm going to do implementation. So okay, now let's come to the body of our loop. So I'm going to, this is the objective of our string builder objective, and we are going to append it, and we are going to append. So since we want to append a random character from the set of the string builder object, so this is what this we are going to declare this line of code now. So here will be characters. So this line of code, as I said, it is going to append a random character. So from the set of the string builder object, which is SB. So here will be our next int, and I'm going to so guys, this is done here, and let me put the semicolon here. So now we're going to convert the string builder object to a string and a return a Gala generated password. And to do so, guys, we are going to to return our string builder. So what this is going to do, it is going to convert the string builder object to a string and return a generated password, guys. So here is a simple code for password generation using Java, to create a password generator using Java, and I'm going to learn this one. Then I'll learn again. Okay, so you can see the generated password. Let me learn it again. Now you can see the generated password. Let me learn it again. So each time you learn, you can see it is going to give you a random password with the 12 characters, guys. So this program, it is going to do for us, guys, and I hope this video had some value to you. If so, then subscribe to this channel and drop your like to this video, smash the like button, guys, and let me see you in the next coming video.